Just getting comfortable right where we are for the practice. Grateful that we practice together and for this time to practice together. Knowing that each of us as an individual has a sacred practice of going into the silence, of drawing forth peace, of getting grounded. Whether that's a sitting practice or a practice of nature, reading, contemplation. And this is our time of collective intention, bringing it together with full understanding of how sacred that is, how powerful that is. How connected we are. I am, we are. I invite you to take a few deep breaths with each inhale and with each complete exhale. Finding the body calm and still. Simply entering a state of awareness, noticing. Stepping back for a moment and observing. Bringing our attention to the heart center. And as if we had energy or water flowing out from us, this is the practice where we draw it all back into the heart. Just stepping back with it. Another step back into the heart. Another step back. Into the body. Into the peace, into the stillness. Any moment you become aware of thinking, planning, ideating, emoting, just take the lead and walk it back to the heart, to the stillness, to the silence. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. In gratitude for the bodies and the souls we've been given and the time and the form we give to this life. Namaste.